Here's an amazing breakfast
Free
idea that
tatas.
just blow you away. All you need to do is whisk up some eggs, add some salt, have a whipped cream, whisk it up together, set it aside, oil a baking pan, place some chopped kale on the bottom, some cherry tomatoes, pour the egg mixture over the vegetables, and add some goat cheese and some mozzarella. Bake until the center is all set. And
they slice open a big house-made
If you've never
garlic
had
knot.
a chicken
They
carbonara,
get onions and
you are
pancetta
missing
sizzling
out.
with some salt, pepper, heavy cream, and Parmesan. They slather a chicken cutlet in that creamy carbonara sauce.
It's like Alfredo,
Layer it
but
on that
better.
garlic knot with some fresh basil, more Parmesan and mozzarella. They slather another chicken cutlet with no sauce left behind.
It's almost
Top it with
funny
basil,
how
more
delicious that
Parmesan,
looks.
more mozzarella. On goes the top bun. It gets covered in garlic
baby,
oil,
get in
basil,
the
and
mouth.
Parmesan. Then it slides into the oven.
Oh,
It gets served
sweet
with a side of
baby
that carbonara
Jesus, give me
sauce.
that.
Nothing beats New York City style pizza. Fresh dough gets
I'll
tossed
tell you
around
what
in
beats
flour,
it.
slammed
Give
on
it
the
a second.
counter, stretched,
I mean, this is perfect.
and tossed.
I
to
love the
look
big floppy
like
slices
this.
of pizza.
It gets topped with tomato sauce,
Gotta have the right sauce.
a sprinkle of
Gotta
oregano,
be put on there just right.
the perfect amount of shredded mozzarella
Lots of
cheese,
cheese.
and slid into the oven to look like
Now.
this.
You know what would beat this pizza right here? As if it was the same thing, but with pepperoni on it.
This
Come
is from
on!
East Village Pizza in New York City. Yes, please.
Ooh, I love it when they stack everything up that's about to get battered and fried. Ooh, and then coated. And ooh, flaming hot. Oh!
People always ask me, what's your favorite food? And I'm tired of that dumbass question. So to answer it once and for all, I'm giving you my favorite food for each letter of the alphabet. Next is B, and this one was tricky. In my mind, there are 3 top contenders: burgers, burritos, and butter chicken. Now, burgers are great, but I choose the other 2 any day of the week. Burritos are much easier to eat, especially while driving, which I don't do. But butter chicken is
making me
definitely
hungry.
tastier. So I said fuck it and combined the 2 to make my ultimate favorite B food, a butter chicken burrito. I was
You know,
looking
the
up
only
different
thing that would
foods that
make
start
this,
with B to
is
make sure I
butter
didn't
chicken.
miss any, and blue cheese
I was
popped up. So I
going
just
to
want to take a second to say that if
burritos,
you like blue
always my
cheese, I'll never
go-to
understand
safe
you.
food
Pick a better
because
cheese.
burritos
Who would have
are
thought
so
wrapping butter
delicious.
chicken in a tortilla would result in the taste?
Yeah. Smash your garlic up, throw in the other spices there. Ooh, some chicken. That looks yummy. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, real creamy. Ooh, throw in your rigatoni, little pasta water. Get spinach. Oh, yeah, real.
Here's how you make my super easy 2-ingredient, low-calorie, no bake, no refrigerate, no flour, no sugar, no gluten, no egg, no carb, no fat, no woman, no cry, no beans, no greens, no potatoes, no tomatoes, no lambs, no rams, no hogs, no dogs, no chicken, no turkeys, no rabbits, you name.
Chef Gordon Ramsay's most famous dessert. The cake is made from
Sticky
pitted dates and
toffee
brown
pudding,
sugar. It's
baby.
topped with the delicious toffee caramel sauce.
Damn
And what
it.
looks like butter is actually
Now
a
look at the
brown
ice
butter
cream.
ice cream. And the combination together is absolutely out of this world. Have you tried it? More details in the
yeah.
comments.
Oh, yeah. Every video starts with a steak is going to be good.
oh, look at that, dude.
Making a steak sandwich. Ooh. Damn it. Ooh, ooh. Man. Yes. A whole bunch of. Yeah.
If you want a breakfast that's going to keep you full all day long, make these sausage, egg, and
breakfast
cheese
burrito is one
burritos.
of
Start
the
with some hash
greatest
brown sticks
modern
in the air
inventions
fryer, then
in
slice
the
one sausage in
history
half
of
and whisk up
mankind.
1 to 2 eggs. Fry the sausage so it's nicely blistered, then saute some bell peppers and onions before scrambling in the egg. Add garlic powder, salt, and pepper, top it off with some cheese, and cover with a lid so it gets nice and melty. Then build your burrito with a layer of chipotle mayo, the egg and cheese scramble, some sausage, the hash brown sticks, and roll it all up. Pop this back in a pan to get it toasted on the outside, and it's ready to enjoy.
Pizza, honey, are you saying you're never going to eat any animal again? What about bacon?
No.
Ham?
No.
Pork chop?
Dad, those all come from the same animal.
Oh, yeah, right.
Sure.
A
Yeah,
wonderful,
right.
magical